1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights left. What the heck, guys? That's a piece of junk. Let's pop it off and replace it. Got a new one here. I'm gonna mount it up here. Right like that. Oh yeah, pretty. Okay. First we gotta get underneath. Let's try it off.
Dancing in your halo.
Well, there she be. She's installed. She looks not too bad. I don't know if blocking the license plate doesn't look like it is. So. And I got more stuff to install in the car when it comes time. We'll take her for a spin and actually try her out at nighttime and see how the lights perform and the Lightbar performs.
Dancing in your halo. Dancing in your halo.
I'm out here in the bush. I had to get out of the house. It was driving me crazy. I just took a snack and just left. Well, I had a bite to eat and just got out of there. So I brought a couple toys out to play. Crossman 38T pellet gun. I just got brand new seals put in. Well, I did it myself. Took it all apart. Made sure it was nice and clean. And she's ready to shoot. She's already got a CO2 cartridge in there. So I'm gonna put some pellets in there and play with her. I also got a pellet gun here. And I found a little, crown land that I'm gonna play on. And there's a mountain right there. Got some pop cans set up. Let's just try firing it. I wanna know if it works. I don't wanna jam it in there. Otherwise it'll get stuck. Alright, let's go see. Yep, she works. She works. And shockingly, it's right on target. This thing's fun. So I bought a sight for this one. This one I bought it online. This little piece of metal cost me like 40 bucks because this one is actually missing the rear sight. It's got the front sight, just no rear sight, so it's a lot of a guessing game. And it's got a lock on it, so I'm just gonna lock it here. This one's not CO2, this one's pump. So you just pull it down. Pop your bullet, pull it in right here. Close it up. And she's ready. There's no safety, no nothing. So. missed. For not having a sight, it would be really hard to actually hit the target if you can't, if you don't even know where to aim. So. It's got a slight up curve, so let's try. I don't know if you can see this, but it's like it's got a dip right here, so it's like, so even if you try and follow that barrel, you can't even aim properly. I don't know. I don't know if I can hit the pop can from here. Beer can. I think that was a hit. Breathe, buddy. You gotta like shoot when you're not breathing or something. I think this thing's a little bit more funner than that gun. Chamber's clear. Put the lock back on. Gun is secured, locked, and we're putting it away. Daylight, brights, light bar off, brights off, brights on, and light bar, daylight, light bar. So much better. Well, if you guys like what you saw, thanks for watching, thanks for coming along, thanks for hanging out. It's fun shooting some gun. Installing a new light bar on the car, which is so bright. Love it. Thank goodness I got it, because the old one was just completely shot. It was literally like three and a half light bulbs working, maybe 4. I'm gonna go hit the road and get home. So I'll edit this video and upload it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. You can watch the next episode here.